They found a 1978 Ford F-250 Ranger extra luxury truck that had been forgotten inside a container for 20 years. Pedro and Miguel were known for discovering hidden vehicles with history and soul. Their search